What jobs to do in the garden when it's raining in June? Thankfully, we've not got no rain at the moment, but if we do get some rain down here at the allotment, what jobs should we be doing? Welcome to Gardening with Ben, and we're going to talk about today what jobs to do in the garden when it's raining in June. Now, one of the main jobs what you can do is you can start to clear up your greenhouse or your potting shed or your polytunnel from all those plants which you've started growing at the beginning of the year, or your seeds and stuff. Tidy up all your trays, tidy up all your pots, wash them down, get them ready for the year after if you've finished with growing seeds. So that is one of the main jobs that you can do. Next up is sort out your tomato plants. Now, I do this on a weekly basis. I spend about 20 minutes tying them up, nipping out any suckers that are growing, and giving them a feed and giving them a good drink of water. So that is one big job what you should do in the greenhouse and polytunnel. And the same goes for like your cucumbers or your melon plants. Tidy them up, tie them to the canes and to supports, and give them a good feed and water. Another important job is hunting those slugs and snails. Yes, when it rains, they arrive in force, in an army of excitement to come and eat all your plants. So put on your raincoat, get out in that garden and get hunting those slugs and snails to get them out of the garden and away from eating all your vegetation that you're growing on your allotment. Next up is sow some more seeds. Yes, you've still got plenty of time to be sowing seeds. We shared a video of certain things that you can grow in June, like your beetroot, your spring onions, your lettuce, your radishes, runner beans. There's still lots more that can be planted, as well as your biennial flowers, as like your foxgloves, your hollyhocks. You can even start sweet peas off ready for next year. But yeah, there's so many things that you can start around now ready for next year and also this year as well. So have a look at that video and check it out and see what else you can grow. Now, if you're a tough gardener like us people up north, get out in that garden while it's raining. Not if it's chucking it down obviously, but if it's just gently, and get weeding, because the ground will be nice and soft, it's easy to dig over, and obviously when the rain comes, that's when the weeds will start again growing. So keep on top of those weeds, hoe down your beds and get on top of the weeds that are growing. So those are our top tips of jobs that you can do in the garden when it's raining in June. I hope you've enjoyed that video. Remember to give us a follow to stay up to date with everything that's going on in our allotment right now. Until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining and keep gardening with Ben everyone.